Let's talk about how YouTube works and how you can get more and more views on your videos. So, how does a YouTube video go viral nowadays? So it used to be, like you just needed to have clicks on a video. So that's why people were creating videos with clickbait type of title, so they would get the click. And then when you had a lot of clicks on your videos, YouTube algorithm would push the videos to even more people, because as we know, YouTube just first shows your video to a little pool of people. Then if they do watch, they'll spread it to even more people. So now how does this work? So you don't want to just have a click now, you want to have views, real views, like meaning you don't want someone to click on your video and then drop off the video after 2 seconds or 3 seconds. You want someone, your ideal viewer is going to be someone that really is looking for what you're saying, you're offering on your video, in your video. Whatever you're saying you're going to deliver, they want to find it, or else they're going to drop. They're going to drop off your video and not watch it, and then this video in particular is not going to be spread to even more viewers. So your video is slowly going to die. You don't want that. What you want people that clicked on your video, you want them to stay because it is delivering exactly what they were looking for. So what I mean by that, like if you're talking about investing money, that's the title of your video, and then suddenly like you're starting to talk about side hustles in your video, it's got nothing to do, you know what I mean, like it's got nothing to do with the main title, which is investing money. Side hustles, nothing to do. Those people are probably not going to keep on watching, because someone trying to invest money is not going to want to listen about your side hustles. That's it. So if you're like trying to just get a click, you're not going to go far. What you want to deliver what your title is about, because you want the people to keep on watching your video until, probably, like it's really hard to get people to watch your video until the end. Very, very hard, because we all have 24 hours in a day and we have a million things to do in a day. So unless your video is extremely useful for your ideal viewer, extremely useful, they need to know exactly how to do something, and your video is going to help them to do that thing that they need to do right now, it's going to be hard for your video to be watched until the end. So doesn't matter, as long as you get like as much views on your video as you can. You want the length to be at the maximum you can. I don't know, if you can get anything above 50%, you're good. It's already great, because most of the people are going to drop off your video in the first few seconds. So what you want to check your YouTube, your analytics. Definitely check your analytics and look at your videos and see where people are actually dropping off your video. Is it on the first seconds? Is it, because if it is during the first seconds, you know that that's it. They know that they're not going to get what they thought they would get with your video, so they're just stopping. That's it. But if it is towards the middle, maybe, like that's it, whatever you wanted to deliver was already done in the first half of your video, and then it's actually now too long, so you don't need to make it that long. So think about maybe shortening your video, go straight to the point, because people don't want to waste their time. And if they're dropping off like towards the end, I mean, don't change anything, it's great. I don't think the majority of people are going to watch until the last second, so you're doing a great job if that's the case. Well, I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you on the next one. See you guys.